Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Regions Interbank. So this video is for contractors. So if you do home improvement, you're a contractor, this financing option might be beneficial to you and your clients. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Stay until the end. If you're a contractor and one of the issues you run into with your clients when you're giving estimates out, maybe your client can't afford to pay the whole amount up front. Say it's $20,000, $30,000, whatever it may be, and you want to offer a financing option. So that's where Regions Interbank USA comes in. You can offer home improvement financing. You get paid right away. They do a quick application with Interbank. So if you're like a handyman or a contractor, general contractor, I'm sure you've ran across in the past different financing services that are similar to this, but I would advise you to check into this one. It takes literally like 2 minutes to fill out the form, and then a rep will call you back and go over the program, and then you can see if it's a viable option for you to be able to offer this to your clients. Regions Bank is quite large. I know from some of my students that are contractors, they use a few other financing options, services that are out there. It's always good to have more options to be able to present to your clientele, your customer base, to offer them the best possible loan. So I would say Regions Interbank USA is not going to be suitable for those with bad credit. If your customers have bad credit, then they're probably not a viable option. They would probably be good for subprime and prime. Just keep that in mind. Let's get over here to the website real quick. As you can see here, it says add 20 years of experience to your business. Put our specialized home improvement lending experience and time-tested stability for you. So the link will be in the description below. It literally takes like 2 minutes to fill out this form. But let's go over here real quick. Good thing is you can offer this. You get signed up with them. Good thing is you can offer financing to your customers without it even affecting your credit. Your credit's not checked at all. Regions Interbank will deal with your customer and work out financing for them for the project. So if you're doing a kitchen remodel and say you quoted it or gave the estimate at $30,000, if they qualify or get approved through Interbank, Regions is going to pay you right away. You don't have to wait around. Let's see here. They offer a few different programs, and they might even offer you kind of a kickback as well. I'm not 100% sure on that. I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention for those that are in real estate home improvement. So here's the criteria. It's quite simple. Your business needs to focus on residential home remodeling. You need to be a U.S. business, obviously. You need to be in operation for 3 years. Now, keep that in mind. If you're a fairly new business, this may not be suitable for you to be able to offer. However, most people that are in the home improvement business, they have contractor license with the states, and those aren't just given away very easily. Average project size has to be $5,000 or more, and annual residential remodeling sales $500,000 a year. That may sound like a lot, but if you're a contractor, that's not really that much. Average job could be $20,000 to $50,000. That's about it. Again, this is not anything that's going to affect your credit whatsoever. It's just a financing service that you can offer to your clients, your customers. So it's quite simple. They'll contact you. All you have to do is fill out this quick form. Does your business focus on residential home improvement? Yes. Have you been in business for 3 years or longer? Yes. What is your average project size? So they're putting $300 to $10,000. $10,000 to $20,000. I can tell you either of those, they're not going to contact you. You're not going to qualify. Your business won't qualify to be able to offer this because they make money lending out to your customers. More money they lend out, that's, they're going to make more. So you need to put $20,000 or higher. Doesn't mean that you need to have, each job needs to be over $20,000. It's just that's what the average needs to be. Is your annual residential sales volume over 500,000? But yes. And then you're going to put in your first name, your last name, phone number, and that's it. Then they're going to contact you within 24 hours and go over the program. And then they pretty much handle everything for you, for your customers. It's just something that you can offer, financing option, more options that you can offer to your customers as a general contractor. That's going to be more beneficial for you to close on these deals. So that's about it. I did want to go ahead and mention, if you guys are interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship, I have a couple more spots left, 30% off the normal pricing. I have 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 12 weeks, and 16 weeks available. And it's one-on-one weekly guidance just text 937-423-9954. For those that are viewers or subscribers that are not contractors, I apologize about this video being just a contractor video, but just stay tuned. I got 3 or 4 more videos probably releasing today as well. Okay, with all that being said, you guys take care. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Bye-bye.